Get him in there, dude. Walk over here. Get closer to the bobber. Reel him in. Reel him in, dude. Reel him in. Come on, reel him in. Get him up here. Come on, reel him in.
It's hard.
It's hard?
Yeah.
Reel more. You got it. Get him up here. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Come on. Don't do that. Reel him in, dude. Here, let go of the pole. All right.
Scared me.
What do you think, dude?
I don't know.
Got a big old catfish.
Can I touch him?
Huh? Yeah.
Or is it gonna hit me?
I don't know. Watch his pokies. He's got pokies right here on his face.